Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope you people are doing well with the help of Almighty Allah. This is Abrar Ahmad Bhatti with the topic of mission statement. As usual, first of all, we have an outline of the chapter in which we will discuss about introduction mission statement, different definitions of mission statement, importance and their role, formulation, components and characteristics of mission statement, and at last distinguish between vision and mission statements. So the first slide is about introduction to mission statement. A mission statement is a long-term statement of purpose. It is essential for effectively establishing and formulating strategies. Again, a mission statement is the purpose or reason for the organization's existence. According to Fred R. David, mission statement is also called as creed statement. In other words, it is a doctrine statement, a statement of purpose, a statement of philosophy. It reveals what an organization wants to be and whom it wants to serve. A mission statement describes the following components: an organization purpose, customer, products or services, markets, technology, concern for survival, growth and profitability, philosophy, self-concept, concern for public image and concern for employees. In combination, these components of a mission statement answer a key question about the enterprise, that what is your business. Next, we have definitions of mission statement by different authors. According to Thompson, mission statement is the essential purpose of the organization, concerning particularly why it is in existence, the nature of the business it is in, and the customers it seeks to serve and satisfy. As you can see in the definition, Thompson identified 4 of the components, that is purpose, nature, markets of customer to serve, and customer satisfaction falls under concern for survival, growth and profitability. According to Hunger and Whelan, simply call mission statement is the purpose or reason for the organization existence. So it is a short written statement of your business goals and philosophies. It defines what an organization is, why it exists and its reasons for being. It describes a company function, markets and competitive advantage. At a minimum, a mission statement should define who are the primary customers, identify products and services it produces, and describe the geographical location in which it operates. The next slide is about importance and role of mission statement in the organization. The basic role and purpose of the mission statement is to communicate all the stakeholders inside and outside of the organization what the company stands for and where it is headed. That's why it is important to develop a mission statement for the following reasons. It helps to ensure unity of the purpose within the organization. It provides a basis or standard for allocating organizational resources. It establishes a general tone or organizational environment. It serves as a focal point for individuals to identify with the organization's purpose and direction. It facilitates the translation of objectives into tasks assigned to responsible people within the organization. It specifies organizational purpose and then helps to translate this purpose into objectives in such a way that cost, time and performance parameters can be assessed and controlled. At last, developing a comprehensive mission statement is also important because divergent views among managers can be revealed and resolved through the process. According to Fred R. David, a mission statement is more than a statement of purpose. It is a declaration of attitude and outlook, a declaration of customer orientation, a declaration of social policy and responsibility. Now we have formulation of mission statement. So there is no standard method for formulating mission statements. Different firms follow different approaches. As we discussed in strategic management process, a clear mission statement is needed before alternative strategies can be formulated and implemented. Therefore, it is important to involve as many managers as possible in the process developing a mission statement, because through involvement people become committed to the mission of the organization. So mission statements are generally formulated as follows. First of all, in many cases, the mission statement is inherited from the founder or the CEO of the company. The founder establishes the mission, which may remain unchanged down the years or may be modified as the conditions change. Secondly, in few cases, the mission statement is drawn up by the CEO and board of directors or a committee of strategists constituted for the purpose. Third method is hiring consultants for formulating mission statements is also common. Method is brainstorming sessions of senior executives to develop a mission statement. Soliciting or requesting employees for review is also common. According to Fred R. David, an ideal approach for developing a mission statement would be to select several articles about mission statements and ask all managers to prepare a draft mission statement. A facilitator or a committee of top managers merge those statements into a single document and distribute this draft mission statement to all managers. Then the mission statement is finalized after taking inputs from all the managers in a meeting. Moreover, decisions on how best to communicate the mission to all managers, employees, and external elements of an organization are needed when the document is in its final form. Some organizations even develop a videotape to explain the mission statement and how it was developed. Next slide is about components of mission statement. As mission statement can and do vary in length, content, format, and specificity, most practitioners of strategic management consider an effectively written mission statement to exhibit 9 characteristics or mission statement components. These 9 components and corresponding questions that a mission statement should answer are given here. The very first component of mission statement is customers, and the mission statement should answer the question, who are the enterprise customers? The second component is about product or services. What are the firm's major products or services? The third component is markets, which asks, where does the firm compete? The fourth component is technology, and the question to answer is, what is the firm's basic technology? The fifth component is about concern for survival, growth, and profitability, which answers the question, what is the firm's commitment towards economic objectives? The sixth component is philosophy, which is about basic beliefs, core values, aspirations, and philosophical priorities of the firm. The seventh component is about self-concept, which questions about the firm's major strengths and competitive advantages. The eighth component is concern for public image, means what is the firm's public image. The last 9 component is about concern for employees, which answers the question of what is the firm's attitude and orientation towards employees. Now the upcoming 3 slides are based on components of mission statement, and here you can find different companies' mission statements used as examples with respect to each component. Let me discuss few of them. So the first component of mission statement is customer, where Johnson & Johnson company mission statement focuses on customers like doctors, nurses, patients, mothers, and all others who use their products and services. For second component, Standard Oil Company focuses on products or services in which the company produce crude oil, natural gas, and natural gas liquids. Also, the statement contain dependable related services to provide. The third component is markets, where Corning Glass Works company states as a worldwide competitor. For technology, R.J. Reynolds states that for adult smokers, developing technologies that reduce the health risks. Similarly, for fair profit, a mission statement of a McGraw-Hill shows concern for survival, growth, and profitability. The sixth component is philosophy, where Kelly mission statement shows core values of dedication to a management policy. And Mary Kay Cosmetics mission statement shows a spirit of sharing and caring. The next component is about self-concept, which talks about strength and competitive advantage. And here Crown Zellerbach mission statement have constructive and creative abilities and energies of each of its employees. Concern for public image is about protection of the environment and economic strength of society and function as a good corporate citizen. The last component of concern for employees, according to the Wachovia Corporation, states that to recruit, develop, motivate, reward, and retain personnel of exceptional ability, character, and dedication by providing good working conditions, superior leadership, compensation on the basis of performance, an attractive benefit program, opportunity for growth, and a high degree of employment security. Now let's try to analyze few examples of mission statements to identify one or more components of mission statement. Like Coca-Cola mission statement talks about market, that is to refresh the world, and about philosophy it states to create value and make a difference. In next example, KFC mission statement talks about product or service to sell food in a fast friendly environment, and philosophy to follow is pride conscious, health minded consumer. Okay, if the mission statement focus is on market and customers, then it will be customer oriented mission statement, and if it talks about product services, it will be product oriented. The McDonald's mission statement stated few more components of mission statement, like customers, markets, concern for survival, philosophy, and self-concept. For customers, its favorite place. For markets, it operates worldwide. Concern for survival, it focuses on people, product, place, price, and promotion. For philosophy, it provides exceptional customer experience and commitment. Self-concept is about building competitive advantage through global strategy and continuous improvement of operations. PepsiCo mission statement incorporates few more components of mission statement, like concern for public image and implies, and states that we seek to produce financial rewards to investors, opportunities for growth and enrichment to our employees, our business partners, and the communities. The next slide is about characteristics of mission statement. A good mission statement should be short, clear, and easy to understand. It should therefore possess the following characteristics. 1. A mission statement should be not lengthy. It should be brief. Second, it should be clearly articulated, means it should be easy to understand, so that the values, purposes, and goals of the organization are clear to everybody in the organization and will guide them. Third, it must be broad but not too general, means a mission statement should have a fine balance between specificity and generality. Fourth, it should be inspiring, like it should motivate readers to action. Employees should find it worthy while working for an organization. The fifth characteristic is it should arouse positive feelings and emotions for both employees and outsiders about the organization. The sixth characteristic reflects the firm's worth by generating the impression that the firm is successful, has direction, and is worthy of support and investments. The seventh characteristic is relevancy, where a mission statement should be appropriate to the organization in terms of its history, culture, and shared values. The eighth characteristic is that it should be current. It may become out of date after some time. Changes in environmental factors and organizational factors may necessitate modification of the mission statement. The ninth characteristic of mission statement is it should be unique. It should establish the individuality and uniqueness of the company. The last slide is about distinguish between vision and mission statement. Vision statement is a mental image of a possible and desirable future state, while mission statement is enduring or long-lasting statement of philosophy, or doctrine or creed statement. The question. Secondly, vision statement answer the question where we are headed, and mission statement answers what the organization is now or current. Thirdly, vision statement is a dream with the concept of realization, while mission statement is the purpose or reason for a firm's existence. The fourth difference is that the vision statement must be broad, should have a fine balance between specificity and generality, while mission statement is more specific than vision statement. The last point is vision statement answers the question what we want to become, while mission statement answers what is our business.